In this video, you will learn how to properly install the BLANCO INTEOS Workstation sink. We will cover 4 sections: preparation, frame and support build, sink and countertop install, accessory testing, and cleanup. Before getting started, please make sure you have all the required tools and supplies. Let's jump in with some important prep work. Make sure you start with carefully inspecting your INTEOS sink. Check the box label and confirm you have the correct sink model and size. The INTEOS series comes in both stainless steel and sill granite, which have a different rim thickness. This will result in different measurements taken during the installation process. We also recommend you check the box for the included accessories. Testing the accessories is a critical last step in the install, so make sure you have these readily available. If possible, measure your countertop cutout to confirm dimensions. Reference the table shown for exact cutouts based on the size of the sink. It's very important that the countertop cutout is accurate to ensure proper fit and function of the accessories. Now it's time to start building the inner support frame. The INTEOS series requires additional cabinet reinforcement. The inner frame must be fully installed before the sink and countertop. The frame consists of 2 side supports which are attached to the cabinet, and a square or rectangular shaped frame which will hold the sink and sit on the top of the side supports. Before you start building the frame, measure the inside of the cabinet. Frame dimensions will vary based on cabinet size. If a custom cabinet is being used, be aware that the sink frame will need to be 1/8 of an inch less than the measured inside width of the cabinet. Refer to Section 2 in the installation manual. Once measurements have been collected, proceed with building the support frame. Measure from the top of the gable down. With a pencil, mark a guideline. Use a level to ensure a straight line is drawn front to back. This is a good time to double-check the material of the sink you will be installing, since stainless steel will sit higher than sill granite. Now it's time to install the assembled support frame. Position the frame along the marked guidelines and clamp it in place. Make sure the frame is level and secure. Measure and cut 2 pieces of wood and pre-drill 4 pilot holes. Install the horizontal piece using silicone and cabinet screws. This horizontal piece will need a large enough ledge to hold the sink support frame. We recommend using wood between 3/4 of an inch to 3.5 inches thick. Repeat this process on the other side. Now measure the distance from the side support to the bottom of the cabinet. Cut 4 vertical pieces of wood to length and pre-drill with 4 pilot holes. Install vertical side supports using silicone and cabinet screws. Repeat this process on the other side. Once the side supports are fully installed, you can remove the clamps from the support frame. We're now ready to install the sink and countertop. Place the sink into the support frame and ensure the sink is centered in the cabinet left to right. With the sink in place, check for a 1-inch gap from the edge of the rim to the outside of the cabinet. Do not include the door in this measurement. Mark the sink reveal along the sides, front and back. Mark a 1/8 of an inch reveal along the sides. The reveal on the sides is smaller to ensure a snug fit of the cutting board. Mark 1/2 of an inch along the front and back. This provides the ledge for the accessories to sit on. Accurate reveals are critical for the accessories to function properly. Carefully place painter's tape along the marked guidelines. This will protect the sink reveal from the silicone needed to install the countertop. With a straight edge, ensure all 4 sides are taped. Trim the tape in all 4 corners to match the corner radius. Now tape the inside cut of the countertop along the bottom edge. Make sure the tape does not go underneath the countertop. apply a heavy bead of silicone to the untaped part of the sink rim. Carefully place the countertop onto the sink and align the cutout with the marked sink reveal. Once countertop position is set in place, wipe away any excess silicone. After at least 1 hour, you can start cleaning up the sink and do an accessory test. Carefully remove the tape from the sink and wipe away any leftover silicone. Test that the cutting board and accessory holder sit securely in the sink and can move freely along the upper sink ledge. After 24 hours, you can give the sink a final wipe down and begin installing faucets. For more information, visit our website at blanco.com.